Hey everyone, this is Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction. It is another hot day. We're at a property that we started with the roof and replacing it. We had a bad windstorm a couple months ago, and we're replacing this whole fence. The fence, often we can actually restore a fence to get everything back in shape and to prolong the life. In this case, it was a little past that stage, and the homeowners really wanted to invest in their home, their property, not just from the look of it, but from the standpoint so they wouldn't have additional problems. And so we've been here for a few days, got everything finishing up the little key points to get it taken care of, doing final touches on from staining, and it just looks great. This is a past client that we've done work for before, and they called us back, and there's no better compliment than that. Again, if there's ever a case you're wondering about, obviously your fence or solar or windows or just the standard roofs and repairs, give me a shout. We would love to serve you. Again, it's Joel Carriker, Trinity Roofing and Construction, 214-535-0888. We always have you covered.